Question 9. Determine the interval of x satisfying the inequality. Absolute value of x plus 2 is greater than 10 minus x squared. Okay, this is an absolute inequality, and I'm going to use Gola because on the right side, it's not a constant, and also it's not an absolute value. So I'm going to use Gola, and since it is greater than here, so I'll write OR. Okay, so just copy down x plus 2 is greater than 10 minus x squared, and for the other side, x plus 2 is less than, changing the sign, and then adding negative 10 minus x squared. So let's look at the left side first. So x squared plus x minus 8 is greater than 0. And solving this quadratic inequality, I use calculator to solve because I couldn't solve it using the brackets factorization. So I got the values as x is 2.37 and x is negative 3.37. So I draw a graph and of a smiley face since the coefficient for x squared is positive. And I'm going to sketch the upper part because it is the y value is greater than 0. Okay, so from here I get that my x is less than 3.37 union x is greater than 2.37. Okay, and for the other side, from here we'll get the quadratic inequality of x squared minus x minus 12 is greater than 0. Okay, and solving it by factorization, we'll get that x is 4 and x is negative 3. And the same also, draw this graph and sketch this graph and shade the upper part since it's greater than 0. Okay, and it's smiley face because same also the coefficient here is positive. Okay, and from here we get that x is less than negative 3 union x is greater than 4. So now we draw a number line, okay, and x is less than negative 3.37, okay, and x is greater than 2.37. And next, x is less than negative 3 and x is greater than 4. So since it's OR here, so we're going to take all the values. Shading here. And we'll get our final answer. The interval of x is here. This is the final answer that I get.